If you want to trim videos on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, choose the video which you want to edit. For example, let's edit this one. You can edit any slow motion videos and normal videos. It doesn't really matter. The process is pretty much the same. Now let's open up our edit icon. It's right here. In our edit icon, you will see this scale. So to trim our video, simply move the scale. Here's your preview, so you can press play and see how your video will look while cropped, and let's press done. At the top right corner, now we have a choice whether to save it as this exact video file or as a new video, as a new clip. For example, let's save it as a new clip. Now we'll have two versions, the original one and the shortened one. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.